كيف ladder?
Tignan nyo guys, ginawa ko. Costume ni Kian sa Barbara kasi bawal sa kanila ang wear ng kinatatakutan ba na damit, yung costume, parang Halloween, pero hindi sila magsuot ng ganon. So, contest po ito. So, ito ang naisip ko. Si Kian ay Mr. Avocado, magdala bukas ng avocado, tapos ipamigay niya sa teacher. Contest nila, yan, magpili daw ng principal nila ng 2 estudyante each section ata, grades. Kahit hindi mapili si Kian, at least nag-effort kami. Ayan. Nice. Mr. Avocado. Bukas magdadala siya ng avocado tapos ipamigay niya. Ganyan na lang siya. Tomorrow, even he will not wear he will wear like this.
He wears socks.
Socks only. And that's it. He hold the avocado and they will ask why you choose this one. Because we have a lot of avocado. Nice? Show to daddy. Open. Be careful, be careful.
Yeah, go show daddy. I have to be
Go make vlog. I will fix this.
Daddy, look. And the avocado.
How you can walk? Maybe each one will take either from you. You will not be able to move. It's nice, but they will take pieces from you. I don't know, maybe insects will.
And في يمكن insects on the leaves.
They must put some avocados on you, and they will eat you. You look like avocado Spider-Man. How you will take your bag?
Yeah. You will not carry it in the
ears. They are now like this. With Hela, you lift it up. And then how you sit between your pants?
He will stay standing.
You cannot stand. That's good. You will stand up one time. You will stand like this. Avocado man.
If they give to mommy, she will fix it.
It's nice. Nice. Maybe they will last شوية بس it's okay.
I told him to be a ninja.
ينتزع. بس tomorrow maybe they will fall in the van يا بابا.
No, he will not wear it. He will wear it when he reaches school.
How will you put
He can put it.
Go in the toilet. Not in the toilet, Mama. You wear it in the school, in the room. Just you wear it. Only to go change. Other than that, I will touch my head. I think it's not. Where I go, it's just over it, Mama. Don't put too much. So,
Okay, take. I'm freezing.
So how do I know?
Yeah. Tomorrow you cannot help him.
I don't know what time he will say though.
Yeah.
But then when Haida remove it and now we're like this, no problem. I will give you the hanger. The 2 hanger.
Oh, my hands are sore.
You won't put it in a plastic?
No.
He will hold it thick?
Yeah.
So,
It's heavy, Cameron. Okay, خلاص.
we write Mr. Avocado. I'm Mr. Avocado.
No, actually no need. I can tell them.
Okay.
Maybe I can tell them.
Okay. Hi guys. Hello po. Pinahanda ko itong costume ni Kian. Namilas din po ako ng avocado. Ayan, ibigay niya sa mga teacher niya ba. So, ang gagawin ko, kasi bigay niya sa teacher niya yung avocado. Tapos ito, hawakan niya yung avocado. Kaya siya ay Mr. Avocado. Suot niya sa school, sa room. Kasi pag suot niya ngayon, matatanggal yung mga dahon. Kasi nilagay ko, dinikit ko lang siya sa gel. Sabi ko, doon mo na lang, kasi magbag pa siya. Baka masira. Yung hat na lang ang isuot niya ito, oh. Yung hat, yun na lang ang isuot niya sa school. Tapos ito, hawakan niya, ganyan. Maglakad siya. Kasi ano siya guys, pipiliin sa bayro. Kahit hindi siya manalo, okay lang. Wala naman problema. Kaya lang at least homemade kasi dapat wag kang bibili ganyan. So ito lang yung naisip ko at madali. At nung sa school nila noon sa isang ginawa nila ng ganito. Doon sa Beirut, nag-aral si Cheyenne, ginawan ko ng leaves na ganyan. Pakita ko sa inyo yung picture yan. Nanalo si Cheyenne dyan, second place. Every year yan noon. Every Saint Barbara, ganun ang ginagawa nila. Hindi naman nakasya. So, kahit, sabi ko kay Kian, kahit hindi ka manalo anak, okay lang. At least, sabi ko, unique tong costume mo. Hindi binili. Kasi, pipiliin siya guys. Magpili yung principal ng every section. 2 student daw kung the best ang costume. Yan. Ito yung avocado. Ilagay natin dito. Sana hindi anuhin ng mga ibang bata ba, yung mga kaklase niya. Baka mamaya purdo-purdo talaga si Jai. Hindi pa tapos yung yung selection ng you help Kian you want
Sure.
when
Don't you have to wear? No, I don't have. I won't wear.
just to put help him to wear.
And you will come with one time.
Hala, when you arrive to the school, change it.
And you put your bag, you follow me, I put my bag up,
And
then you help me.
why you
change.
put up? You put in your school, in your room, your bag.
My up is up.
Okay.
I put my classroom is up.
Okay. Be careful when you remove the Haida. Remove the shoes mo. Wait, I will fix that. Wait, I will fix it.
I got it.
You're right. Yeah.
I think I got it.
Here's one more. The quick is very difficult. It's smooth.
My ears are difficult.
Like that, okay? Pero hindi siya ganyan na. Aalis na sila. Hi, Mr. Avocado. Mommy, help him the avocado, mama.
I'm Mr. Avocado.
Cheyenne, I told you help your brother in the school to wear it. Be careful this one, Kian. You hold this one, okay?
Okay.
Diyan na siya. Kurang sila. Hi guys! Galing po ako sa market. Dumaan po ako kina Yuki. Ligyan ko siya ng avocado. And yun. Bumili ako ng ulam namin ngayong araw. Nagluluto po tayo ng masarap na ulam para sa mga bata, request nila. So, tignan nito. May nakita na naman akong biktima. Hindi hiningi ko ito kina Yuki doon sa gate nila. Meron doon. Tumatawag siya. Teka lang sa gate. Hi sis! Hello! Hi guys, magluluto na po tayo. So, ayan, ito po ay 2 pirasong chicken breast. So, hiniwa ko po siya ng manipis. Ganito po siya kanipis. Yan, hiniwa ko po siya. So, hayaan lang muna natin dyan. And, maglagay po tayo dito ng ganito din kanipis na potato. So, next step, salt. Pepper, black pepper. Konting olive oil. Konti lang.
finished painting.
Okay.
Now is the black permanent marker.
Black, I think it's in the jaro.
Okay.
Nagpe-paint po siya. I-display niya daw. Nayaan ko lang. So, ito, itatanim natin ito guys para sa ating center table. Ito, tanim natin ito. Kind of aloe vera siya. Ewan ko kung anong pangalan nito. Yan. Hiningi ko doon sa ano nila, Yuki. Ating chicken. Luto na po siya. Okay. Wow, ang bango. Sabi ni siya yan, ang bango mami. Alam niyo kung bakit siya mabango? Dahil po sa garlic. Ayan na po siya. And then, di pa tayo tapos. Check natin. Wow, napakalambot guys. Oh. Wow, guys. Oh. So, ang nangyari, wala na po tayong gas. Kaya, ang gagawin ko, ilagay ko ito sa doon sa air fryer. Wait lang. Natin para mabilis. So, lagyan po natin ng mabilis ang pagkaluto. Ayan, sa air fryer. Cheese. Okay. Maraming cheese. Yan na. Parsley sa top. And lutuin na po natin sa air fryer. Hello, how is your Barbara?
Wow, what is that?
I make it nice. The project. Why you remove it?
No, it's good.
How's your Barbara? Huh? You want?
But she want nothing.
How you want? You give the avocado? Eh? Why it's heavy, Haida? Very good. Halos si Kia na. Very good. Yala rin mo na, Haida, the pantalon. Ito na po ang mga bata. Lang yan, okay na. Naluto na po ang ating lunch. Serve na natin. Ito po ang salad natin. Tatlo lang kami ng mga bata. Walang rice today.
Done.
It's ready. Ito na po ang ating food. Oh, naluto na agad, oh.
This is mine.
Kaya, here. Oh. Wait lang.
This
Wait,
is mine.
yan, tabi will po.
Okay.
Picture the plate, ay the hydronic. Okay. Tapos sa inyo. Wow, super cheesy. nahulog guys. Okay. Here. Oh my god. Yeah.
Try the mine?
Yes.
Okay.
This part yan, tagdadalawa nyo.
You can
Ako,
take
isa lang sa akin.
this one.
Oh, super juicy. And tell me if you like it.
Okay. I like to have the butter one.
Okay.
Yay.
The other for your brother.
Yes.
Bango. Yes. Oh, okay. Yala. You need the fork.
Fork. It's fine.
Yala. Daan Haida. Tapos na. Okay. Libat salad here if you want. This one goes here. I will put the one. Okay, yala. Come. Yan. Kain na po. Ito na po ang lunch natin. Sorry. Yan. And tell me what is the taste. How is the taste?
It's hot.
You need to cut the mama. Wow, so tender ang loob. Mm. Mm.
Thank you, Mommy.
Ooh,
what's this?
yan.
What's this, mommy?
Yummy food. Chicken. With
Chicken with chicken with eggs and
cheese inside.
why don't you wanna eat?
Mm. Well, I eat. Mm. I'm very healthy.
You ate?
La, how I eat, mama? I cook.
Yeah.
Sure, it's good or no?
Yeah.
Mm. Yala.
So delicious.
And it's nice, the smell.
Mm.
Eggs on cheese on eggs? Okay.
I will try my food. Kain po tayo. Wow, kainin nyo lahat yan with the salad. I-try nga natin guys kung anong lasa
Oh
ito.
wow. That was spicy.
Parang special na.
I like to take pictures.
Yeah, it's so delicious. Sarap.
Wow.
Kainin nyo lahat yan.
I feel like a Korean eating.
I'm happy you like it.
That's probably the only acceptable chicken I will eat.
Okay. Anytime you want to eat chicken, I will make like this. I will add this in my list of food.
Did it take time?
Yeah, need to cook You need to cook slowly. I put in air fryer at the last moment. And the gas is finished. You like it, Kiana? Guys, yan. Barbara po dito sa lugar namin. Celebrate namin ang Saint Barbara. So, usually, kapag Barbara Day, kakain ko sila ng ama. Yung wheat or sweet, mga sweet. Kaso, ito po yung binili ko. Ito po yung Ashta. Tawag nila Ashta. So, ganito po. Wait, mama, wait.
I'm hungry.
Yes, baby.
I'm not more hungry, but
Ganyan, ganito siya guys. Oh, ilagay sa loob. Ganyan. Sarap ng amoy. Cheese siya.
cheese?
Yeah, tapos i-close nila na ganito, oh.
Yeah,
Tapos lagyan ito ng attar, yung sugar. Melted sugar. Yan. Ito, oh, ganyan. Open this one for me. After namin. At saka may inaasikaso. Ayan, ganito siya, oh. Itong sugar, may ano siya, rose water. Gustong gusto ni Kian. That's why I bought. Yan. Gawa din tayo mamaya. You want more? I will make one more. Tignan niyo naman ang bunso ko. Nanalo siya ng Best in Costume Award. Basta ko ang gagawa, mananalo ka. I told you, you will win. And it happened. You're proud? You're happy? You're happy your costume? Or no? Of course, Mama. Yes. Let I will make one more for you. And hold it, okay?